Hi lovelies, I'm doing a very beautiful, pretty, classy looking French nail cheat today. So before that I've got some Madame Glam to show you. I'm going to use Madame Glam today, but this short French cheat is for anybody that can't paint French for toffee. Yeah, but you want nice clean looking nails, so yeah, even if they're bitten or anything, we can do this. So French nails cheat coming up, but firstly some Madame Glam swatches and everything for you. Please don't forget to check whether you want to subscribe or not, because it's free, and if you like the video leave a comment, that really helps me out. Yes, I've got glitter white, which is smashing. I've got a cat eye, which I don't normally go for the cat eyes, do I? But this is a glazed candy. It's a red. I thought it looked really nice, but a glittery one as well. I ain't got enough greens, so I went for a rainforest, and I couldn't resist this pink Love's Veil. Thought that looked really nice. So the green and the pink, just my colours. So we'll get some swatch sticks out. So let's start with builder gel. So I love these builders in a pot. They're a lovely consistency. And if you want to encapsulate something, the clear is fabulous. But I'd much sooner have builder in a pot than in a bottle. You can get it all out for a start. You're not going to miss out on any at all. Can I open it? Yes. Oh, very nice. Very nice. So like milky white with the glitter in. Now, I've got to base coat this first, because if I don't, while I'm faffing, it'll just come straight out. So I'll base coat those as well, to be fair to it, and then I'll pop back. So, glitter white builder gel. I'm doing it on the inside of this. So I'm going to do a fairly thin coat first to see how opaque it is or not. If you wanted to do a cover on your nails. So that's it. Yeah, it's not bad. It's got quite a good cover, but it is still milky. So I'll do it as you would build it. So you'd go for your apex. Yes, pretty. Can you see? Can you see glitter? I can. I don't know if you can. Oh, that's that one. Beautiful. Okay, Love's Veil. Be a good Barbie pink, this. Rainforest. I like that. That's heading towards the pistachio green. Glazed candy. Glitter magnetic. gold. So this looks stunning without magnetising it. All the Madame Glam glitters are just beautiful. I've not had one that I've not liked. Wow, so that's coverage without magnetising. Can do it in a stripe. Yeah. I don't know if there's more of a knack with the ones that have got the glitter in, but I think I like it just as it is. Oh, can you see it? You see that flash going down it now? I always say I'm not the best with the magnet. It's very pretty, but I'm not the best with the magnet. And that does remind me, I can see why they call it candy, glazed candy? Yeah, glazed candy. It reminds me of the brittle red toffee that's round toffee apples. Tasty. Yeah, so I didn't do too bad, did it? Did it? It weren't too bad, that. But yeah, really pretty. So there we are, not decided what I'm doing yet, so I shall be back tomorrow. I'll put my thinking cap on and have a look at my foil, see what we've got. So I've just put a little nail tip inside my fake finger, just to represent the normal nail bed. And if your nails are very short, they just come to the end of your fingers or even further back, you can use these tip. If it's further back because you've been biting them or something, then as they grow, you can learn to infill at the back and then you've still got your French. But if you can't sculpt French, you can't paint French, or you're terrible with your non-dominant hand or something like that, then this might be for you. So I'm going to use little white tips. Now, this is the shape that they come in. So they've got a very gradual sort of French on them. And you only need the very tip of it to stick onto your nail. You haven't got to stick it all the way down there. But you can see what it would look like if you'd got very, very short nails. If you'd got very, very short nails, I would stick them on, but take some off the tip so that you've still got more of a balance of pink than white. That's the main thing. They just look a bit odd if you've got all white and no pink. So be patient with it if you're trying to grow your nails, and take some of this white off so you've just got a little bit of white, and you'll soon see it growing up and it looks lovely. So this is the shape that they are. So if your nail comes to the end of your nail bed, you can stick it on like this. This is something I used to do many years ago, before I learned how to sculpt and learn all the different things. So it's really easy, this, and I'm going to use the builder gel for it. So that's that. You can shape the nail if you're lucky enough to have got an e-file. You can shape it so that you've got more of an arch and stick that on there. So obviously we still need a little bit there sticking onto the end of the nail, but you get more of a shape to your French. This is one I did with the almost or slightly curved, and then that one is that shape. So I'm going to do that, but I'll just show you quickly how I did that. So I've just got my e-file with sanding band on. Don't need it very fast. Now, if you go up from underneath, it's going to push it up and it'll kind of melt it a bit, really. So you want it on at least about a 4. And then I'm going to make sure, I'm going to anchor my finger and I'm going to make sure it's in the middle. And I'm just going to go up. Just going to go up in the middle. Okay. Can you see it going up? We'll get rid of that anyway. That's okay. I'm just going to keep shaping it. So I'm going out to the right. So you've got either of those shapes. So what I'm going to do, let's assume that you've not got a very nice coloured nail bed for some reason. You've damaged it, you've bashed it, you've got little sort of under your nail plate blood marks or a few gouges out of it or whatever. If you don't like it, then you can paint this with a rubber base. So I'm going to use this one, which is Ecuador. If you're happy with your nail bed, you can skip this step and you can go straight to sticking on your white tip. I'm just going to wipe off that tacky layer. So I'm just giving this a little bit of a rough. I'm taking off any dust. And then I'm going to get the tip that I've altered. I'll put a tiny little bit of glue on this. Because it's white, you don't want to use a UV gel because you don't want to risk it not curing. So I would just stick this on with a little bit of glue. You can use glue like this, which is more of a pain, or you can get a brush glue. And then just stick this on. So I want to make sure that curve is actually onto the nail. Make sure we're straight. There we go. If any excess glues come out, just wipe it off. That's it. So you file your edges. Make sure it's smooth, straight, or the shape that you want. Just going to clip that end off. And I'm just going to take the shine off that tip, off the white. Just we're overlaying this with the builder gel. That little nibble off the end. That's that. Little white down everywhere. We're going to go over that white, that's fine. And I'm going to do a slip layer. That's it. The rest of the gel will follow that, so I'm going to get quite a bit. And build this from up at the back. So I'm going to push it around to near the cuticle. I want most of it up there, but I'm just going to move it down side to side till I meet up with that white. And then I'm going to paint it down. Right to the edge. There we go. Cure that 60 seconds. So once that's cured, I want to make sure it is cured. It'll sound high pitched. And then wipe off the tacky layer. So you can just polish that just as it is if you want, matte top coat or glossy top coat. But this one's all about being simple, isn't it? So I am just going to put some Daystar, I think. Oh, the star with Love's Vale and the Rainforest. Teeny tiny little dots. I'm going to avoid where I can see there's bits of glitter underneath because I want that to show. And the yellow. So I'm going to do mine in shiny top coat. So here this is all done and nice and clean for spring. Beautiful look. If you've got short bit nails, if you want them to grow out, they can grow out. You can take the shiny surface off, infill it at the back. And yeah, very easy peasy, pretty, and a nice cheat for you if you can't paint your French. So don't forget, there'll be a discount code in the description box and a bit.ly link that takes you to Madame Glam. So thank you to Madame Glam for sending me this through. Hope you've enjoyed it. Quick, easy and simple today. And there'll be loads more videos coming. So please don't forget to subscribe, like and share if you've enjoyed it. And I'll see you next time. Take care. Love you loads. Bye.